So, you've got an Airwallex account, but how do you actually get money into it? It's a great question, and one we're going to answer today. Airwallex is a fantastic tool for businesses that operate internationally. It simplifies cross-border transactions, making it easier to pay suppliers, employees, and customers around the globe. But before you can leverage these benefits, you need to fund your account. Funding methods. Bank transfer. Simplicity. This is often the most straightforward method. You simply transfer funds from your local bank account to your Airwallex account. Speed. While it's generally reliable, it can take a few business days for the funds to clear, especially for international transfers. Fees. Be aware of potential transfer fees, particularly for international transfers. Debit/credit card. Convenience. This is a quick and easy way to fund your account, especially for smaller amounts. Speed. Funds are typically added instantly, making it a great option for urgent needs. Fees. Credit card transactions often incur fees, so it's wise to check with your card issuer. ACH transfer, US only. Efficiency. For US-based businesses, ACH transfers are a popular choice. They're typically faster and more cost-effective than wire transfers. Security. ACH transfers are secure and widely used in the US financial system. Local payment methods. Regional specificity. Airwallex supports various local payment methods, such as Pay Now in Singapore, PayID in Australia, and faster payments in the UK. Speed and convenience. These methods often offer fast processing times and are familiar to local businesses. Tips for smooth funding. Verify your account. Ensure your Airwallex account is fully verified to avoid delays in processing payments. Accurate information. Double-check all the information you provide, including bank details and payment amounts. Currency considerations. Be mindful of currency conversion fees, especially for large international transfers. Security best practices. Always prioritize security when funding your account. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing attempts. Funding your Airwallex account is a straightforward process. By understanding the various methods available and following best practices, you can ensure a smooth and efficient experience. With your account funded, you're ready to take advantage of the many benefits that Airwallex offers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.